Hey legends, ready to drop into Apex but not sure where to start? Let's break down how to start learning the game and completing your welcome challenges to get you ready for the arena. First, head to the game mode selection screen. Before jumping into the actual game, look for the training option. It's designed specifically for new players like you. These matches are your training ground to learn the basics without the pressure of ranked or pubs. Once you're in, focus on three things: movement, get comfortable running, sliding, and climbing; looting, grab weapons, shields, and heals; and combat. Take fights to learn how your weapon and the abilities work. Complete all your training matches and you'll work towards playing a full game of Battle Royale. If you are not comfortable with playing with other players just yet, look at Bot Royale. This will put you in a game against other bots for you to practice everything that you've learned in training. Eager to learn how to improve, use the welcome challenges as your guide. Head to the main lobby and select challenges, and look at the welcome challenges. Complete the basic challenges and all the class challenges to learn the ropes. As you complete these challenges, you'll earn some sweet rewards to kickstart your journey. To find out what these rewards are, check out the welcome pass. You'll get skins, crafting medals, and so much more. Welcome challenges are your first step to becoming an Apex Predator. So drop in, learn the ropes, and get ready to dominate the arena. See you in the games, legends.